Cabbage apple salad recipe. This refreshing cabbage apple salad is a perfect blend of crunch and sweetness balanced with a light and creamy yogurt dressing. It's quick to prepare, healthy, and makes a great side dish for any meal. Ingredients: 7 ounces, 200 g cabbage, 1 apple, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1/2 lemon juiced, 1½ tablespoons honey, chopped coriander to taste. Instructions: prepare the cabbage. Chop the cabbage into thin, bite-sized pieces. Slice the apple. Core the apple and cut it into small chunks or thin slices, depending on your preference. Mix the base. In a large bowl, combine the chopped cabbage, apple, and fresh coriander. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the yogurt, honey, and freshly squeezed lemon juice until smooth. Combine and serve. Pour the yogurt dressing over the cabbage and apple mixture. Toss gently to coat everything evenly. Enjoy. Serve immediately as a light salad or side dish. Pro tips for the best cabbage apple salad. Choose the right apple. Use a crisp, sweet tart apple like Fuji, Gala, or Honeycrisp for the best flavor and texture balance. Keep the apple fresh. To prevent browning, toss the apple slices in a little lemon juice before adding them to the salad. Shred cabbage thinly. The thinner the cabbage is sliced, the lighter and more refreshing the salad will feel. Adjust sweetness. Taste the dressing before mixing. Add more honey if you prefer it sweeter, or more lemon juice if you like it tangier. Chill before serving. For extra freshness, refrigerate the salad for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. Add crunch. Sprinkle in chopped walnuts, almonds, or sunflower seeds for a nutty texture. Make it colorful. Use a mix of green and red cabbage for a vibrant look. Extra creaminess. Swap half the yogurt with mayonnaise or Greek yogurt if you want a richer dressing.